Well, hello there. Hi, this is my first original VR video. Not my first, but I mean I had a short when I was playing Gorilla Tag. Yeah. But this is Scary Baboon. Welcome to Scary Baboon. Scary Boobs. Join random. Join random. Oh. My thing froze. Okay. We're at a server. Yippee!
Oh, what? Guys, move!
Yo, if anybody else wants to be in my live stream, the code's my name. If anybody else...
Okay. Hocus! Hocus! Queso! Holy shit! Oh! We're getting scared right off the bat. Dude, what the heck? We're getting scared right off the bat, dude. I just started this video.
Oh no!
Banana!
Guys, I think I hit him too.
Banana! Banan!
Who wants to go in the vent with me? Who want to go in the vent with me? That's the point!
Oh my god.
Wait, what's the code?
The code's my name. If you want to be in my live stream, the code's my name.
Okay, well that scared the hell out of me. Juke! Juke! No!
It's in the way.
No, of course this
Purple! Goddamn purple! Goddamn purple!
So scared that I fell. I fell on my huge monkey ass. I literally jumped. I jumped in real life, dude. Hello there. Well, guys, that is it for the video. If you guys want more, like and subscribe. And I will be at your house waiting for you to like and subscribe. Bye.